Joriatakai Joshai Chohoyatakai. As we observe from above, from this right side of the field, the Hochana Aidai Joshoya. Observing the energy of the beloved, Doro Okoshanakai Takashi. Where we feel their pain, their grief, their suffering. Through the magistrate, Joro Otai, and coming into the sacral range here. And into the lower back as we begin to release this sense of duty where others cannot see, where they cannot feel, where they cannot be present within themselves. This guardian role through our children, Jara Atano Koya Chashi, bringing light here into the sides of the neck. This amplification through the seated gene expression, pulled down by and succumbed to through the terror. Again, what has been recoded into the gene expression and coming into the belly now. Into the nausea, these fits of rage where one is held down, unable to take action, allowing this to build through the system. So coming in here to release these restraints around the wrists, around the ankles, around the neck. Coming into the base of the head, the base of the skull here. The occipital range, connecting in through the wingspan, this band or burden, especially through the right side of the body here, releasing and relieving the wings. This angelic realm, where we uptake responsibility for the field, this faith, in respite, and the synchronization through this ultimatum, so where we come back in fully, solely into our own fields, whatever we had abandoned within, uptaking this now, and releasing all those around us that had been tethered to or were tethering in for a variety of reasons. And let's release specifically through this country. This looks like present day Spain. This infiltration, this regime, this need to be angry or mean, feeling this rising up the back of the neck, into the base of the head here. as the only known way to express this rage, and yet in this inability to be this way, everything that has been swallowed, kept down, digested within oneself, all that was never meant to be held. These tethered reins, the issue of betrayal, and it's coming up as issue because it isn't actual betrayal, but it's perhaps the only idea one might have about what they are feeling. When they are looking out past their own body, their own sins. And in this sense, the word sin seems to imply wherever we have exchanged with others, wherever our energies have overlapped, wherever we have not kept solely to ourselves, to our one self, where the children show this delineation of being, drawing these lines, outlining these boundaries, clearing through the belly, clearing through the sacral, within the apportioned time, and releasing through the back of the right side of the heart, and bringing light through the crown now, through the entire range of the field, loosening any implants, any issues, with the regime, watchfulness, clearing through the base, clearing through the roots, allowing this light to remain within. And so it is.